Hi everyone, welcome back. I have reveal number 13 to my second annual Baking Spirits Bright group swap, and this swap is from Miss Nancy Smith. Thank you so much, Nancy, for joining. I'm really excited to see what you created. So let's go over the requirements. This was a Christmas baking themed swap, and the requirements were to make one memory dex card, one trinket box filled with trinkets, something beaded, 2 crafter's choice items, and 1 store-bought gift, $5 or less. So let's dig into Nancy's swap. Oh, how sweet. Nancy made me a swap. They look identical, so I'll share what's in mine, and we'll leave her swap partner's swap untouched. I love this tote bag. So she put her swap in this really pretty tote bag. I love this. It says Merry Christmas, and look at the cute gingies on the tote bag. Isn't that sweet? I love that so much. This is a nice size bag too. I love it. Thank you so much for thinking of me. I really appreciate it. So sweet. This is the first bag that I chose. Let's see what's in here. Look at how cute. So this is a candy container. I love this. And inside the container are sprinkles, or like a sequence mix. There we go. Look at how cute that is. So it's a candy container filled with polymer clay sprinkles. I love that. She also has a spoon. That's so cute. That goes together. And in this jar, there's more sprinkles. Look at that. Santa Claus, peppermint, red and green clay sprinkles. That's so fun. Thank you so much. These are so useful. Thank you so much. The next item, ooh, look at these sweets. I love it. Look at how cute. Candy cane peeps. I love that. I love peppermint, so this will, I know, will taste really good. Thank you. And here are peppermint teas. Love it. Thank you so much. And this is a chocolate flavored shell filled with mini marshmallows. Oh, this is a hot cocoa bomb. Okay. I love these. When these first came out, I started making them and selling them. Oh my gosh, I was so busy. I probably made over 3,000 of these in 1 month. It was nonstop. It was crazy. I don't do it anymore. It's a lot of work. Thank you so much for that. This next item, this looks like her beaded item. Oh, and look at that. I love the colors. I love this bead. That's one of my favorite beads. Look at the cute Santa, the silicone striped beads. That is so pretty. And look at the dangle. She has a pink gingerbread house. So a pokey tool and a pen. Thank you so much. I love collecting beaded items. I have a nice collection of pens and pokey tools, and this will definitely be added. Love those. This is the next item. Oh, look at how cute this is. This is a gingerbread, it's a mini cup, and she filled it with mini candy canes. That's such a neat idea. So this is Sleigh Bell Bistro. This is really cute. I haven't seen that. Is that from Hobby Lobby? I've only been to Hobby Lobby once this holiday season, so I really missed out on a lot because I didn't go early enough. Oh, and these are some items here, so let me start with this one. These look like bag toppers. I love that. She has a cute Santa sticker with a dimensional candy cane. as decoration. These are really pretty. So she has it in a pink Christmas and a traditional color. That's so cute. And the peppermints are foam, so they are dimensional. I love that. Love the glitter paper. So cute. I love bag toppers. Here are some candy charms. Those are so cute. Someone else made candy charms too. I love making these. Look at her candy charms. I won't take it off. So she has a dangle here using the garment pin. This one has a bell and a gingerbread. And this one has a tree and a candy cane. So cute. And look at that. So she used paper for hers. I use paper and I use washi tape. It just depends, but I mostly use paper as my ends. And look at all the sprinkles in there. Isn't that pretty? Look at the top, how she decorated the top. Love those stickers. Look at the cute cocoa cup and the jar. That's so pretty. Nancy, you did a great job. Love it. This is really nice. I love the colors. Baking Spirits Bright. I love the cluster here. She has a hot cocoa mug and a gingerbread. Look at that pretty red bow at the top. She used foam. That's so pretty. And in the back, it says Making Spirits Bright 2025 for Nancy Smith. And her Instagram is Not in Kansas or 02. I think that's what it says. I'll look it up, but I will also have her linked down below. So I'm going to put this with my Memory Dex cards. Thank you so much. I love collecting Memory Dex cards. That one is really cute. And this one here, oh, it's an envelope and it has a closure like this. I forgot what these are called. Wow, she made a bunch of die cuts. Oh my goodness, look at this. All these cookies, and they're on foam, and the foam is like a cookie color, like that tan color. Look at these, so pretty. I love these different ones. She dressed some up with flat back pearls. Look at that. Love the metallic paper. So cute. Diamond dots. These must have taken a lot of work. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I love receiving die cuts. That's so sweet. This is her trinket box. I love this. I love this ribbon. Look at this ribbon. How cute that is. That is so cute. I'm going to take this off. It's really pretty. I love how they have their individual containers. And on each container here, she decorated the tops. Look at that. Hot cocoa cup. That's a circle with she made sure to stamp out the house with the tree. A hot cocoa mug. There's a gingerbread girl. A bow. A gingerbread boy. Candies. Another one that she cut out perfectly to picture the house with the tree and candy. Very creative. Thank you so much. So in each one, let's open this. She has 3 gingerbread house charms. I love that. This here, she has beads, 2 hand-painted beads, and this one is a clear bead with green metallic ends. Those are very pretty. I love hand-painted beads. And this container here, look at the, oh, those are my favorite. I love those. And some smaller spacer beads. Really pretty. In this container, look at the cute candy canes, a polymer clay bead, and a gingerbread bead. So pretty. The middle compartment. These are polymer clay beads. Love those. The next one. Oh, these are really cute. Look at these Christmas light charms. I have not seen those. Really cute. Next, here are some enamel charms. So many pretty enamel charms in here. It's so fun. Love them. This one here, this one is full of enamel charms. Look at all these different ones. So many pretties. In the last container, look at these really cute peppermints. Sorry about that, guys. That's my dog. I think the postman came and dropped off some boxes. This is so cute. Thank you so much. I love this. On the bottom, she has this container, this really cute gingerbread container, and she has it secured with some glitter washi tape. So let's take this off. Wow, look at this. Bake My Day lip gloss. That is so cute. I have not seen this. I love that. I love that. Thank you. Oh, this is really sweet. Look at the gingerbread tongs. That is so cute. I have not seen this too. That is so cute. And here are some measuring spoons. Love the colors. And this here is mint hot chocolate flavored lip balm. Look at that. And she stuck 2 pom-poms on there. Isn't that cute? So creative. Like I said, everybody has their added touches that they put into their swaps, and it just makes it so unique and special. I love this. Thank you so much. I love this tin. I love everything you created. Thank you so much, Nancy. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all got inspired, and I will be back with the next one. Bye.